Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show SKU with product title in order received page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in thank you page. Now you see order detail and we are going to show SKU with product title. Now you see. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to thank you page or order received page. Now refresh the page. Now you see order detail and then you see SKU. So this is a stock keeping unit number for this product. Back to custom code. Now in code you see SKU text, so you can add text according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.